Next, we saw an eagle. This this video in slow motion and makes it look brilliant, and that's why I took this in slow motion so that you can admire the eagle. You can see its big large wingspan going across the sky. And now you see these cormorants flying towards the horizon so that they can sleep. This eagle is circling a tree, and it's beautiful to see it moving around. That's how we love birds. Birds soaring high in the sky, capturing our imaginations, and that's how we even got a thing called ornithology, which is the study of birds. It's a beautiful thing, and we should all have admiration for birds. All wildlife lovers, don't forget to click a bird picture or two. This bee-eater is happily just sitting on the wire, doing well what all other birds have been doing, nothing. Here is a beautiful scene with two red-napped ibis and a cormorant sitting on the same tree. You can see the red head of the ibis. We have seen 3 total ibises on this channel: the black-headed ibis, the glossy ibis, and now this, the red-napped ibis. It's one of the only few ibises in India. Next, it might be a little difficult to see, but you can see Baya weavers collecting stuff from flowers. Next is a peacock. This peacock is huddled in a corner, not doing anything. But this beautiful beetle is something I really liked. Well, but it can be a dangerous beetle. And we were welcomed back to the resort by the donkeys and a cat. This resort has many rescued cats from all over Karnataka. In the resort, we saw a heron soaring by, and next day we saw a beautiful Brahmini kite sitting in front of our balcony. It was sitting on the banks and looking around. One last sighting before we leave Kabini, and then it took off. So guys, what an amazing adventure we've had here at the Kabini Wildlife Sanctuary, Nagarhole National Park. We've also done a nature walk 2 times and a jungle safari. It was a very short weekend, so we grabbed this opportunity. It was very good, especially this. It had so much stuff in it. It was amazing. So, yes. So I guess that's it. That's it for this video. You're here in Abeer and Animals. We'll join you later for another video. Later. Till then, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye-bye guys, and we'll see you in another location.